In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fonts in Adobe Acrobat, a process that works a bit differently than you might initially expect. With Acrobat, you don't actually install the fonts within the application itself. Instead, you handle this at the system level on your computer, and then these fonts will be available for use inside Acrobat as you edit your PDFs. Let's dive into the steps on how to do this for both Windows and macOS users, so you can make the most of the creative options Adobe Acrobat has to offer. First, we're going to tackle the process for Windows users. Begin by downloading the font file that you'd like to use. These files typically come in either a .ttf or .otf format. Once your download is complete, go ahead and right-click on the font file. Here you'll see an option that says Install. You can either choose Install, or if you want the font to be available to all users on your device, you can select Install for all users. It's as simple as that. Once you've done this, the font is available across all your applications, including Adobe Acrobat. Now let's switch gears and talk about the steps if you're on macOS. Again, you'll start by downloading the font file, double-click it, and a new window will pop up, which is the font book window. In this window, you'll find an Install Font button that you need to click. Once you've done this, the font is added to your system fonts list, making it available for you to use in Adobe Acrobat along with other programs you might be using. Now that you've installed the font on either Windows or Mac OS, the next step is to actually use the font in Acrobat. Open the PDF file where you'd like to use your new font. If you're using Adobe Acrobat Pro, select the option that says Edit PDF. If you're on Acrobat Reader or a similar tool, find the equivalent text editing tool. With this tool, highlight the specific text that you want to change. Once you've highlighted your text, navigate to the font drop-down menu. Here you should be able to locate and select the font that you just installed. After you've made your selection, apply the changes and make sure to save your document to ensure your edits are secured. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new font to Adobe Acrobat by installing it at the system level and then applying it within the application. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials on using Adobe Acrobat and enhancing your PDF editing skills. Thanks for watching and happy editing.